Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by isolating power and connections so you can rule out simple faults quickly. Unplug the console, disconnect external drives and controllers, and switch HDMI ports or cables to eliminate display issues. Next, hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds to force a full shutdown. Wait at least 10 more seconds before plugging back in. Once done, power on and watch for the boot sequence. This clears transient firmware, or GPU hangs, that often cause a green screen. Now you'll attempt recovery modes to repair system software. If you have an eject button, press bind and eject, then press power to load the startup troubleshooter. Otherwise, use the specific button combo for your model. Select Reset this Xbox, but choose Keep My Games and Apps only after other options fail, because it preserves content. If the troubleshooter can't fix it, prepare a USB drive with the offline system update files and run OSU1 to reinstall the OS. Finish with hardware validation so you don't miss failing components. Check vents and heatsink for dust buildup and clean them carefully with compressed air. Overheating can produce green artifacts. Try connecting your Xbox to a different TV or monitor to eliminate obscure display signal mismatches. If none of these steps remove the green screen after software recovery and hardware checks, you're likely facing a GPU or board-level fault. Make sure to document behaviors and contact support or a qualified repair service for motherboard diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.